Welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn how to remove Microsoft Azure free account. Open the Azure portal, log in with the Azure portal and search the cost management. Go to the Azure subscription. Click on the Azure subscription one. Cancel subscription. Select the reason. Click on the cancel subscription. Now you can see your subscription was cancelled. Which make 10 minutes for the subscription to update. All the system has been turned off and will no longer be incurring charges.